Hey everyone, and welcome back
Yeah.
for another deep dive into the world of awesome gadgets. We are all about exploring those cool tech treasures you can find online.
That's right.
And today,
Yep.
we're going to be looking specifically
Okay.
trending gadgets on Amazon.
Ooh, fun.
So get ready to be amazed by some of these
Yeah.
seriously cool innovations that we've got.
Okay, let's do it.
First up, have you ever
What do we got?
been drinking a can of soda and you just can't finish the whole thing
Happens all the time.
and then it goes flat?
The worst.
It's so frustrating.
Yeah.
Well, now you can prevent that with these things called clever can lids.
Perfect can lid.
They create an airtight seal on your can.
Okay.
So you can save it for later.
Now that is clever.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, I like that a lot.
Super simple, but super effective.
Yeah, and it's funny because it's like one of those things you don't think about needing.
Right.
Until you see it and you're like, oh my gosh, why didn't I think of that?
Yeah.
It's solving like a tiny little problem that we all have.
Holy.
All the time.
Okay, so imagine this.
Okay, I'm imagining.
You get a call.
Oh no.
Your friends are coming over
Surprise.
and they need a place to stay.
Oh.
But you are fresh out of guest rooms.
Get there.
Enter
That's gonna save me.
the self-inflating bed.
The self-inflating bed, huh?
Yes.
Like, it does it all on its own.
It inflates in minutes.
Wow.
You don't have to blow it up
That is a game changer.
or anything like that.
No kidding.
Just
Especially for those surprise guests.
poof,
You don't have to scramble.
ready to go.
That's really smart.
And think about all the space you'd save.
Oh, yeah.
You
Totally.
don't have to have a bulky air mattress
Right.
taking up space in your closet.
Taking up all that space.
Just boom,
Just like magic.
self-inflating bed.
I love it.
Okay, so since we're on the topic of making life a little bit easier,
Okay.
let's talk about upgrading our bathroom.
Ooh. Okay, I like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am obsessed with this swiveling waterfall faucet.
A swiveling waterfall faucet.
First of all,
Yeah.
it just looks so sleek.
I bet. I mean,
Also has a built-in temperature display
really?
right on the faucet.
Oh, that's cool.
So you always know
So you know exactly.
how hot or cold the water is.
You don't burn yourself?
No more
Yeah. Testing it with your hands.
sticking your hand under and being
Yeah. Yeah.
too hot.
Oh, I can see it now.
It's right there.
That's so high tech.
So fancy.
I love it.
I know. And it's
Yeah.
elevates the whole bathroom experience.
Totally. I can see this being like a spa-like experience at home.
Right.
Yeah, just imagine washing your face or brushing your teeth,
I know.
and you've got this sleek waterfall faucet.
And you know exactly what temperature it is.
Oh yeah,
Amazing.
I love it.
Okay, so speaking of elevating experiences, let's talk about creating a cozy vibe at home.
Ooh, yeah.
Who doesn't love
I love cozy,
curling up
Yeah.
with a good book next to a crackling fire?
especially as it's getting colder out.
I know, right?
Yeah,
But maybe you don't have a fireplace.
right.
Well,
All of us do.
This portable fireplace is the answer.
A portable
You
fireplace.
can take it anywhere.
Oh wow.
So whether you're,
So I can move it from room to room.
yeah,
Oh, that's
in
awesome.
your bedroom or
Yeah.
your living room
Or out on the patio even.
or even outside.
Yeah.
You can have that cozy fire ambiance
That's awesome. I love that.
wherever you want.
And it's portable.
I know. That's key.
It's so cool.
That's really cool.
All right, next up we have pure luxury.
Okay, hit me.
Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Towel warmers.
Towel warmers.
I'm telling you,
Yeah.
it is like a spa experience at home.
Oh, I bet.
You get out of the shower.
You wrap yourself in a warm towel.
It's the little things.
I'm already sold.
I can see why.
I know, right?
That's a good one.
Okay. And since we're talking about creature comforts,
Okay.
we can't forget about entertaining.
Yes.
So,
Gotta keep the guests happy.
for all your party needs,
All right.
we have the quiet ice maker.
Quiet ice maker.
Finally, an ice maker that doesn't sound like a jet engine.
Oh my gosh. Yes, please.
You know what I mean?
Those things can be so loud. It's like they're taking off in your kitchen.
I know.
Yeah,
Especially when you're trying to have a conversation.
you can't even hear yourself think.
Exactly. So this one is quiet.
Quiet ice maker.
I like it.
Keep those drinks flowing
Yes.
without all the noise.
Without that annoying hum.
You know,
Yeah.
I'm really seeing a theme here.
What's that?
Like all these gadgets,
Yeah.
they're all about
Okay.
making our lives
Making life,
better, more enjoyable.
and we're just getting started.
Oh,
But before we move on to the next batch of amazing finds,
okay.
let me remind you
Yes.
that we are on Tech Gadgets Finder,
That's right.
your go-to source for all things tech.
Absolutely.
Be sure to check out the show notes
Yes.
for links to all these gadgets on Amazon.com.
Definitely check those out.
Happy shopping.
All right, looking forward to more. All right, welcome back, everybody.
We're back with more cool gadgets.
About gadgets.
All right, so have you ever wished that, like, your windows could just clean themselves?
Oh my gosh, all the time.
Right.
Especially the ones that are hard to reach.
Yes.
Like you need a ladder.
I know.
Forget about it.
Well, now you don't have to worry about that
Really?
because we have the robotic window cleaner.
A robotic? What?
It's this little robot,
What?
and it, like, sticks to your windows,
No way.
and it just cleans them for you.
That is amazing.
Oh, my goodness.
It's like, so it's like a little Roomba,
Yeah.
but for your window?
Exactly.
That is so cool.
And it's, like, compact and lightweight.
Oh, so it's not like bulky.
No, that's good. Okay, so speaking of, like, things that make life easier,
Okay.
let's talk about the kitchen.
I'm in.
This multi-cooker
Multi-cooker.
is a game changer.
Okay, tell me more.
It's like having a personal chef
Oh, wow.
in your kitchen.
Okay.
It can slow cook,
Mm-hmm.
pressure cook,
Okay.
saute,
Nice.
steam,
Oh.
like you name it.
So it does it all.
This thing does it.
It's like a one-stop shop for cooking.
Right.
That's amazing.
And while we're on the topic of kitchen efficiency,
Yeah.
we have to talk about the vacuum mop combo.
Vacuum mop combo.
So it vacuums and mops at the same time.
Whoa, hold on.
I know.
That's like 2 chores in one.
Right.
You're killing it.
It's like a cleaning dream team.
That's awesome. I need one of those.
Okay, so for all you parents out there,
All right.
or anyone who just hates chopping vegetables,
I mean, chopping vegetables is the worst.
this kid-friendly food dicer
Kid-friendly food dicer.
is going to be your new best friend.
Okay.
It makes meal prep so much faster
I bet.
and safer,
Okay, that's good, especially for kids.
especially for the little ones.
Yes.
You know,
Say it.
keep those fingers safe.
No more worries about, like,
Yeah.
You know,
accident.
little fingers getting chopped up.
Exactly.
Okay, so for all the techies out there,
All right, tech time.
we've got LED TV backlights.
LED TV backlights, huh?
So they sync with the colors on your TV screen.
What?
I know.
That's wild.
And it like creates this super immersive viewing experience.
Oh, wow.
It's like being at the movie theater,
Really?
but like in your own home.
That's amazing.
Okay, so now let's talk about something a little bit more practical,
Okay.
but still super stylish.
All right, like it.
The bamboo grain dispenser.
Bamboo grain dispenser.
It's eco-friendly.
Okay.
It looks great in your kitchen,
I bet.
and it keeps your grains nice and organized.
There's no more like bags of rice spilling everywhere.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I like it.
Okay, so this next one is for all the sleep enthusiasts out there.
Okay, the people who love their sleep.
The smart alarm clock
The smart alarm clock.
is not just an alarm clock.
Okay, it's got to be more than that.
It's like a sleep sanctuary.
Oh, wow.
It has ambient sounds, wireless charging,
Okay.
a Bluetooth speaker.
What?
Like,
It does it all.
it's everything you could ever want
That's amazing.
in a bedside gadget.
I want one.
Okay, so we got another one for you.
Eh.
For those chilly days when you just need like an extra boost of warmth,
Yes.
the space heater.
A space heater.
Small but mighty.
Okay.
Keeps you nice and toasty.
I like that.
All right, so for those of us who work from home
All right. Work from home crew.
or just need like a flexible workspace,
Yeah.
the portable desk
Portable desk.
is a game changer.
Okay.
You can use it in bed,
Oh, nice.
on the couch,
Yeah.
at a coffee shop,
That's perfect.
anywhere you want.
Oh, I love that.
And it's like super lightweight and easy to move around.
That's awesome.
Okay, so this next one might seem simple,
Okay.
but it's actually super helpful.
I'm intrigued.
The contactless paper towel dispenser.
Contactless paper towel dispenser.
So you just wave your hand
Okay.
and it dispenses the perfect amount of paper towel.
Oh, so you don't have to touch anything.
Exactly.
That's so hygienic.
I know, right?
Especially in like a public bathroom or something.
Or even just in your own kitchen,
Yeah,
you know, when you're cooking.
I can see it.
Okay, so for all the movie lovers out there,
All right, movie time.
we've got the compact popcorn machine.
A compact popcorn machine.
Brings the movie theater experience right to your home.
Oh, that's awesome.
I know.
I love popcorn.
Me too.
That's a good one.
And last but not least,
Okay.
we have a problem solver.
Hit me.
The adjustable jar opener.
Adjustable jar opener.
For all those stubborn jars that just won't open.
Oh my gosh, yes. I need this.
I know, right?
Like when you're just struggling, that's the worst.
And you can't get it open.
And you're like, I need a strong man.
Exactly. But now we don't.
No, you don't.
We have the adjustable jar opener.
The adjustable jar opener is here to save the day.
I love it.
All right, that's another batch of amazing gadgets.
Wow.
Remember, you can find links to all of these on Amazon.com.
Yes.
And for more cool finds,
Yes.
be sure to subscribe to Tech Gadgets Finder.
That's right.
Stay tuned for our final thoughts on
Yes.
these tech treasures.
All right, I can't wait. We've seen some pretty amazing gadgets today, haven't we?
Oh yeah, we've covered a lot of ground.
From those clever can lids to the robotic window cleaner.
Right. Like, it seems there's a gadget for everything these days.
Yeah, and you know what? I think it's really cool how these gadgets show us how our lifestyles are changing.
What do you mean?
Well, like, think about it. We're all so busy, right?
Oh yeah, constantly on the go.
Exactly. And we're always looking for ways to make things a little easier, a little more efficient.
Okay, yeah, I see that. And that's where these gadgets come in.
Right, like the self-inflating bed for when you have surprise guests.
Yeah, or the multi-cooker that does like a million things at once.
And don't forget about that contactless paper towel dispenser.
Oh yeah, no more germs.
So convenient.
And you know, it's not just about convenience either.
Okay, what if...
It's also about making our lives more enjoyable.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Like, think about those towel warmers.
Oh, yeah, pure luxury.
Or the portable fireplace.
Instant cozy vibes.
Exactly, and it's like they're all designed to make us feel good.
Okay, I'm liking where this is going.
And you know, another thing I've noticed is how technology is becoming more and more integrated into our everyday lives.
Yeah, that's true.
Like even simple things like faucets and alarm clocks.
Right, they're getting a high-tech makeover.
Exactly. It's like technology is everywhere.
And it's not just about function anymore.
Right, it's also about style and design.
Like that bamboo grain dispenser.
Oh yeah, so chic.
So functional.
It's all about creating a space that you love.
Okay, so where do we go from here?
Well, I think it's safe to say that the future of gadgets is looking pretty bright.
I agree.
We can expect to see even more innovative and exciting products.
Products that make our lives easier, more enjoyable, and more personalized.
Exactly. So if you're ready to embrace the future of tech,
Head over to Amazon.com.
you can find links to all the gadgets we talked about in the show notes.
And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Gadgets Finder for more cool finds.
And deep dives into the world of awesome tech.
Thanks for joining us, and happy shopping.